Morning, everyone. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Well, the market a little bit softer here in the back end this morning, so you got to pay attention first in this 10-year, this 26 area, I think is your first support. Now, what's notable is last week's close was above the line off the old highs. So what I'd like to see is a trade above, continued held trade on the weekly above 16. If we can hold above there, I think that there's a possibility you get another leg up in the 10-year. You do have to be cautious up here. The market seems like it's a little toppy. We are putting in new highs, though. If you look at the red June contract, 30 was the high yesterday. So the market continues to make new highs on an up move. It's kind of hard to pick a top in that situation. Yes, you do run into resistance levels that you could sell, look to buy back, but how deep of the correction are you looking for? And that's the thought that you have to be very cautious about getting all out bearish at certain levels, because you end up stopping yourself out on new highs. We are seeing a lot of option buying and puts in the July contract off of it trades off the option off of front SEP. 93.6 put spread traded 50,000 times yesterday. Open interest up 44,000 in the 93 puts, up almost 47,000 in the 96 puts. The SEP 87 puts this morning paper was paying a tick for those 5,000. It seems like the thought process, I heard there's a Morgan Stanley article out there about after QE2 being finished that there'd be they're looking for another spike in LIBOR, and SEP is the contract that you'd want to own puts on for this to happen. So you are getting, SEP puts back in favor, July off of SEP in favor, and what you're looking for is the next debacle in the EU, looking for some kind of correction, big correction, or a spike in LIBOR, etc. Also, the green SEP 90 calls traded for big size yesterday. 1 basis point, open interest up 62,000 in those. So you still have mixed feelings about where this market's headed. I would say that that's upside protection type trade, where the risk, if the market gets out of hand on the upside, you need some upside protection. That's a cheap play. 99 even calls in red SEP are 100 basis points out of the money. So that's it. Get a 2-year note auction today. We'll keep an eye on that. Market a little softer here. I had 25 in red June as your first level, and you have 22 underneath that. The front D's contract, if you're looking at the front end, pay attention to 56.5, and then I think 53.5 is a big level in D, so you got to get back below there before you can look for some more downside. I still like the SEP D spread. It made new low for the move yesterday. I have 5.5 as support in that. Also like playing that spread off of options, selling the SEP 96 puts and buying the DC 95 puts. Trades right around 3.5 basis points. You could have bought 3s yesterday. That's it for today. Have a good day. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Thank you.